How's everybody doing? Tinkering with Harleys. I want to thank everybody who has subscribed, and if you're watching these videos and you enjoy them, by all means, please subscribe. Well, I know it's been a while since I put a video up, and I wanted to bring everybody up to date. The things that I did have planned video didn't exactly work out. As you see behind me here, I've got a bike stripped down, and this was that Heritage I took in for repair, and unfortunately this bike wound up with a whole lot more wrong with it than was anticipated. Now, I wasn't the only one to see the bike. He brought me the bike here because nobody else would touch it. And as I started going through the bike, I kept finding stuff wrong. So it was decided that didn't want the bike anymore. So I wound up buying the bike. And now I'm turning it into a project bike where we're going to completely rebuild this thing. We're going right down. We're taking it right down to the frame. I mean, it's going to be bare frame. I'm probably going to send the frame out to be powder coated. But I'll give you a list of the number of things that are wrong with this. Needed brakes, which standard, that's just normal wear. Tires, normal wear. Wheel bearings, normal wear. Neck bearings. The neck bearings were frozen on this. I mean, they were really bad. Fork seals. The fork seals had leaked so much, there was no oil left in either of the lower legs. And the oil went all over the bike. It was run for a long time without oil in the front end. It had electrical problems, ran horrible. So I took a compression check on it, and it had 88 PSI in the front and 64 in the rear barrel. So it needs an engine. It needs a rear axle. The rear axle is grooved out. It needs swing arm bushings. It may need a swing arm also. A drive belt and a rear pulley. The rear pulley is all chewed up, and that's just a generalization of what I've got going on, what I'm working off right now. But at the moment, what we're doing is I'm just stripping the whole bike down, and as you can see, the only thing I got left in it is the trans and the engine, and they're going to come out. And then I got to see exactly what I'm working with, if I'm going to have to just do a top end or I'm going to have to do a complete motor. The transmission, I've got a brand new transmission for it, so we're going to put that in. And we're going to build this bike from scratch. We're going to convert it from EFI over to carburetor because I don't like injectors. I love carburetors. And we'll be showing you how to do that. I don't know that we're going to use the wheels that were on it. I'm undecided on that. And I haven't even broken the tires off the rims yet to get a good look at what the wheels look like. But unfortunately, the bike was neglected for a very, very long time, and this is the end result. When you don't take care of things, they just kind of fall apart, and that's what this bike has done. So those are all videos that are going to be coming up. And like I said, I apologize for not getting a video out sooner, but I really haven't had anything to show you. The things that I have been doing are things that I've made videos on already. And nobody needs to see me taking this apart, because that's fairly easy. I'm probably going to show taking the motor apart. I'm probably going to have to get a new wiring harness for this, so I'll be rewiring the whole bike. And like I said, once I get it down and I get this thing steamed off and see what the frame looks like, make sure the frame's not bent, there's a possibility, like I said, I may need a new swing arm for it. So if that's the case, then we'll get another swing arm for it, because we're going to do the bushings anyway, so the swing arm will be off. But hopefully we'll start getting into this and getting videos out on a regular basis again. Weather's getting nice, and it's a nice day today, so I kind of want to go riding today. So, but that's pretty much it. Just figured I'd bring everybody up to date, let everybody know what's going on, and till next time, everybody be safe out there.